Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error, that is a module not found request. So I'm trying to run that particular project and got that error. So let's run the project, open in terminal and then write Python space start project.py, then enter. So that will be the error, module not found error, no module name request. Okay, first you have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. So just click on Windows key and then write edit system environment variable. Click on environment variable, double click on the path. So see, Python 3.8 is already installed. Script folder also added in that location. So if you want to check out that Python 3.8 is installed or not, so just copy that location and click on OK and just close. Now paste the location here, Control V and then enter. So see, Python 3.8 is already installed in that system and script folder also there. We have to install that particular library, whatever we are facing that error. So just write pip install request, then enter. Selecting the request, selecting the URL library, selecting IDNA, selecting certify. Now successfully install that particular library. So if you want to check the versions, so just write pip show request, then enter. So see, that particular library name is request and the version 2.32.4. So that will be the solution of that particular problem. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're searching entire project ideas for engineering, we are developing projects in multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. This is a WhatsApp number. If you're in doubt, then you can directly contact to this number. And let's scroll down. So we have uploaded multiple projects there. If you click on any of the project, then it will open the complete description about project. It will play the video. This will be the YouTube video of that particular project. Airline management system. These are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries. This is a WhatsApp and calling number. Check out related projects. If you want to check out the Android app project, just click on it. It will give the complete list in the Android app project. Let's go back. I will share the particular list in that video description. You can download from there. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.